On this 2015 through 2025 F150 with the 5.0 gas engine, P0073 may indicate that the PCM is seeing a high signal condition from the ambient air temperature sensor circuit. In plain language, the outside air temperature input may not look believable to the PCM. The truck may show an inaccurate outside temperature, and systems that use outside temperature information can sometimes behave differently. Broadly, the possible fault areas may include the ambient temperature sensor area, the sensor connector, the wiring between the sensor and the PCM, or the PCM input side of the circuit. For this specific code, the confirmed next move is the circuit-specific pinpoint testing for the ambient air temperature input. That is where the available diagnostic direction stops, so pause there and avoid guessing. Treat it as a circuit high complaint, but do not jump straight to a part decision without the correct circuit test in front of you. Keep verification separate from testing. Since the circuit-specific test and repair path are not available here, there is no confirmed repair sequence to call from this handoff alone. After the proper pinpoint testing is completed and any repair decision is made from that testing, verify the repair and confirm P0073 stays gone. The key point with P0073 is simple. Handle it as an ambient air temperature circuit high diagnosis, but stop where the confirmed direction stops. Get the correct pinpoint test before making the call. For more diagnostic training, visit stepdiagnostics.com.